Hi there, welcome to Zero Academy. Today we'll be creating a WinForm app that generates 4 random pins. Let's get started. Before we do, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. The first thing we'd like to do is to open up Visual Studio, as you can see here. Now I have Visual Studio open. I'm going to go to New Project and create a new WinForms project. I'm going to name this project Pin Generator. It doesn't matter what you name it. So now I'm going to reduce this window size. This should be okay. Very good. The first thing I would like to be adding is a text box. So it's quite easy, it's just a drag and drop. So now we want something to happen when we click this button, and that is when we click this button, we want to generate 4-digit pins. So right now I'm going to double click this button to open up our script. So the first thing we have to do is to create 4 integers by writing integer. We want to name this integer a, b, c, d. So we have created 4 integers a, b, c, and d. So now we want to give these 4 integers a value. So we're going to start with a. But before we do that, we have to create a random, because we are creating random numbers. To do that, we have to write random and give this random a name equals to new random. So now let's give integer a value. To do this, we say a equals to random dot next, then we open a bracket, and we want to create a number from 0 to 9, remember, so we do 0, 10. So the 0 is the first number and the 10 is the last number, and also a number that is not included. So we will do the same thing 4 times for all our a, b, c, and d. Now we just rename this to B, and this to D, C, and this D. We have created our 4 random numbers. Very good. So what do we do next? We have to print these 4 random numbers. We go over here, and from what we did earlier, we named this text box input. So to manipulate the data inside this text box, what do? We just say input, which already exists here, input, yes, dot text equals, then the value of a, b, c, d. Let's open up a bracket and give and pass all of them as values. A plus a string to space them out, plus b plus a string, an empty string, just to space them out, plus a string, plus c here, plus d. Yes. So now we have given input.text the values of a, b, c, and d. So if you're wondering why I added all these things here, it's because if we were to add a plus b plus c plus d, this C# is going to add the whole numbers generated together to give us one single number. So instead, we placed empty strings in between them, so our C# does not add these numbers. So now let's test it out. So let's run our app. So I'm going to click on start here, And now when I click generate, it should generate 4 random numbers. Wow, 8612, 0816, 9024, 9308. Very, very good. Okay, thanks for watching this video. In the next video, I'll be adding some finishing touches to our project. If you have any questions, please ask in the comment section below or click the link in the description box below. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye.